Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you a new trick I just learned. Okay, so at first when I learned this trick I didn't believe it until I tried it myself. So today I'll be showing you what to do after using the toilet, and the toilet is smelling unpleasant but you don't have air freshener around. So I'll be showing you what to do even if you have air freshener around. To save you the stress of looking for the air freshener and all of that, I'll show you what to do, like what to do to get rid of the smell easily and in seconds. So stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to share. Thank you. So after using the toilet, or even if it's not you, if it's someone else that used the toilet and you also want to use that toilet at that time, but because of the smell you can't actually use the toilet. Most times air freshener doesn't even take care of the smell immediately, so I'll be showing you what to do that will work immediately after you finish using the toilet. Like I said, this is a new trick I just learned, so I'll be showing you. So after flushing, you just get yourself a matches stick, and then you light the matches and just hold it like this and let the smoke, or should I say the sulfur or whatever, do the work. I don't know, but all you need to do is just hold it like that. But if you can't hold a matches stick, or if you're scared that the matches is going to like maybe burn your hand or something, yeah, you can use something else. You can actually get a candle. You can get candle, any candle. It can be big, it can be small, any candle, and then you just light the candle and leave it there in the toilet. So you can put the candle like I did now on top of the toilet seat and just light it and leave it there. If you don't want to use a candle, you can actually use a tissue paper. That's the main paper from the tissue, that brown part. I don't have it yet, that is why I'm not showing you here in this video, but you can actually use a what's it called, a tissue paper. That's the hard part of the tissue paper. Just light it and let the smoke take care of the smell. So now that you know the trick, we'll be waiting for your honest feedback. Try it and come back to tell us if it actually worked or not. Some of you, this is not new. Some of you, this is actually new. To me, this is actually new. So yeah, try it and come back to give us feedback if it actually worked for you, and also let us know if you've been doing it before and if it's working or not in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.